Okay guys, now that we're done with Google Docs, we're going to start our lessons on Google Slides. And you guys might notice that you remember things from last year, which is awesome. So some of these lessons might actually go quicker because you guys already know. But make sure that you're logged into your Google account and that it's your letter up in the corner. We're going to go to our matrix and we're going to click on Slides, which is the yellow presentation paper, and it says Slides underneath. And you guys will be creating a new blank presentation, which is basically what Google Slides is all about. It's just a presentation that you can create or edit all on your own. And since it's on Google, it's all on the web and is updated constantly every second. And Google saves everything that you do. So we're going to go up here and click blank, start a new presentation. Okay, after the blank presentation loads, we're going to come over here to the themes, and I just want you to scroll through and decide which one you would like to pick. There's many options. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. So I'm just going to click it, and then it's going to add those colors, that font, and that theme to my presentation, and all of the other slides that I add are going to look similar. So this is going to be my title slide, and right here is my editing window, so I can actually click and edit things here. And over here is my slide toolbar where I can add new slides and see my presentation and how many slides I have. So this will be my title slide. I'm just going to click right here with my mouse in this text box, and it deleted what was in there because I need to type my own title, and our title is going to be hurricanes. And then down in this bottom text box, I'm going to go ahead and type my name. Okay, so I've got my title and my name, and I've picked my theme. Now I'm going to add some slides to my presentation. So I'm going to come up here to my toolbar, and I'm going to click on this plus sign that says new slide. And once I click, it adds one slide at a time. And I actually want 4 slides, actually, yeah, 3 or 4 slides total. So we've got our title slide, slide 2, I'm going to add another one and add one more. So you're going to have 4 slides total. Make sure that you click on slide number 2 because that's the one that we're going to edit right now. So at the top of slide 2, I'm going to click to add a heading to that slide, and that heading is going to say, what is a hurricane? Sorry, hurricane, question mark. And then for right now, we're going to leave this text box down here blank. We'll go back and edit that later. But let's go over here and click on slide 3, and then come up on the heading and click in the box. And our slide 3 heading is going to be, how are hurricanes formed? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on slide 4. We're going to click in the box. And then we are going to put, for slide 4, the heading is going to be hurricane devastation. Okay, so if you look, we've got 4 slides total. The first one should be your title slide. It just has your title and your name. The second slide is titled, what is a hurricane? So we're going to do some research and we're going to talk about what a hurricane actually is. Slide 3 is, how are hurricanes formed? So again, we're going to do research and type in some information about how they're formed. And then our slide 4 is going to be about the different devastation and damaging things that can happen or that are caused by a hurricane. And I actually spelled devastation wrong, so I'm going to right click on it and fix it. That's something we learned from Google Docs. So, and then next week we will talk about how to get our research using our kid-friendly search engines, and then we will also add images and maybe even a video to our presentation. We're going to get really creative with this one, so I'm pretty excited. Now, the last thing I want you to do before you X out is I want you to click on the title slide. And then I also want you to come up here to this box where it says Untitled Presentation, and then right now it's saying Rename because it wants me to give my presentation a name. So I'm just going to click in that box, and then it typed the title for me. So that's pretty awesome. Google doesn't make you go up there and type it again. It just automatically types it for you because you have it right here on your title slide. And then just click away, and it will leave the title up in there for you. And then you can go ahead and X out and raise your hand.